everybody, today we are going to cleaning the data using pandas. Now there are literally hundreds of ways that you can clean data within pandas. Before that, we need to know what is the data cleaning and why need to do. Okay, first, what is the data cleaning? When working with the multiple data source, there are many changes for data to be incorrect or duplicate or mislabeled. If data is wrong, outcome and algorithm are unreliable, even though they may look correct, but is wrong. Data cleaning is a process of changing or eliminating garbage, incorrect, duplicate, corrupt or incomplete data in dataset. There are no such absolute way to describe the previous steps in the data cleaning process because the process may vary from dataset to dataset. So we can't do one process all dataset depend on the dataset. Okay, data cleaning plays an important part in developing reliable answer within the analytical process. If you are not data cleaning, our analytical results is biased and is observed to basic feature of the info science basis. The motive of data cleaning service is to construct uniform and standardized data set, enable easy access to data analytical tool and business intelligence and prescriptive accurate data for each problem. Okay, so when we doing an when we analyze the data, first we need to do data cleaning because we don't know if the data is all of them is good or biased. Okay, so we need to check all each columns is correct or not. Okay, then why we need to do data cleaning? Data cleaning, why we need to do? Because data cleaning is the most important task that should be done by a data analysis. So why we need to do data cleaning? Error-free data, because sometimes duplicated data, sometimes missing data, sometimes data type is wrong. So we need to error-free data, always give unbiased results. And data quality, because the data is always need to quality, so we need to do quality data. So data quality, accuracy and efficiency, complete data, maintaining data consistency, benefit of data cleaning. So these 5 benefit we have to do in a data cleaning. Okay, when the data cleaning, we in the Python we use the pandas. Pandas is a one of the library in Python. So data analysts spend a huge amount of time clean the data set, getting them the form in which they can work. So when we are working in the data set, we need to clean the data. When we finish the collecting the data, then we need to clean the data. So we spend more time for data cleaning. So that time is we use the data Python for data cleaning. Which library we use? Pandas. Pandas is the popular Python library that is mainly used for data processing purpose like cleaning, manipulating, analysis. So Pandas standard for Python Data Analysis Library. Pandas mean Python Data Analysis Library. So we use the Pandas for data cleaning. So we are going to how to clean, what is the steps for cleaning. So this is the step. First, what we need to do, import library, then load the data, explore the data, handle missing value, handle duplicate value, correct the data type, and outlier determine the treatment. Okay, so this is the steps. So first we need to collect the data. Where we need to collect this project, what I need to do, I collect the data from Kaggle. Kaggle is a data set. Most of the data we can get from Kaggle. Here is a lots of data sets we have it. So what we need to do, which data set we select the data and download the data. Here's the data set. See, this is what is the data we are taking here. Vehicle sales and market trade data set. So yeah, 16 column we have in the data set. What is the column? First, year, make, model, trim, body, transmission, and VIN number, state, condition, odometer, color. What is the color of vehicle, interior, seller, who is the seller, what is the agent name, and MMR, market report, what is selling price and sale date. So this is the data set. So we need to download this data set. We can analyze this data because we go here. So here is a download the data. Here we used for Jupyter Notebook. So many things we have for process for Python. Here I used for Jupyter Notebook. We can use for. So what we do? First step. What is the first step? Import library. Import the necessary library such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, Seaborn, or for data manipulation, numerical operation, and visualization, respectively. So import Pandas. First, what we need to do, our libraries. Okay, what is we need to import library. NumPy as np and import Pandas as pd, and next import as SNS, and import Matplotlib library, Matplotlib library in Python as plt. Okay, this is we already import the library. So we need to run execute that. So we can run here, or we can shift and enter automatically run. Yeah, run already here. When we are run, then the numbers here. Okay, first we need to save the notebook. Save as, how to save data clean exercise. Load the data, load the raw data into the Pandas DataFrame. So here is the load the data. So data set is in the same folder. We can load pd.read csv. And what is the format is data set? Is CSV, Excel, or what's the format we need to put here? Okay, CSV. So read the dash and CSV data set if we have a data set in same folder. If we are not in a same folder, we are storing any folder in our computer or in a desktop, or so we need to do like this. PD, same PD read CSV. Here we input R and semicolon, quotation mark, and then what we need to, where is the our file? So we need to find the path. So where is our data set? Here, car prices and curve. See, this is our path. So what we need to do, yes, this is the path, but we need to change the slash other side, otherwise we get error. So I can show how. Okay, so second step, load data set. Df is equal to PD read CSV R and our folder name, our folder path. So here is a folder path, so always folder path like that. Okay, folder path is, when we run it, say we have a error. Why we have an error for this one? Because it's a folder path. We need to put other side, this slash. This one is not there. And we need to put encoding Windows. Which Windows? Okay. And then we have this one. Okay, yes, now check it. df head, we can put bracket, so if we put bracket only 4, we can not how many rows we needed. If we put 2, it's a 2 or 5. Okay, so this one is data set, top of the data 0, index 0 to 5, 0 to 4. This one is okay. Which column is here? Year, make, model, trim, body, transmission, win number, state, condition, automated, color, interior, seller, selling price, sale date. Okay, this is the data set, our data set. Okay, this is a top of the 5 rows. Okay, we can get data frame, bottom of the 5 rows or 2 rows. See, this is bottom of the data set. See, this is the last row. Okay, bottom of the data set. Okay, explore the data, understand the structure, future, and any issue that need to be addressed. Okay, first what we need to do, our display first few rows and information about the data frame. Okay, we need to, next what we need to do, shape. Okay, df shape, we can find the how many rows, how many columns. This data set 16 column, okay, and 558,000 rows. Okay, this is the data shape. Okay, we need to know what is the info. Info means what is it? This column data type. Okay, or column data type, data info. if we need to data type is wrong, we need to change the data type here. Okay. Next, what we need to do, okay, we can go there. Okay, next what we need to do, handle the missing value. Okay, we need to check any missing value or zero, any or NaN values in here. So we need to check the missing value in the data set. Okay. Checking the missing value. Data frame is null. What we do? Okay, check. See, this data frame, any missing value is here. This one is coming like a missing value, yes or no. No means false. Okay, if we have a missing value is here, we have a true value. See, here is a one missing value. Nothing. Okay, what we need to do is sum. So what happened now, we can get how many missing value, which column. Here no, zero missing value. Run mission is a big, lots of missing value here. Okay, so we need to, here is a missing value. How is a missing value look like? Let's see. Okay, df head can put 20 rows we can put here. Okay, we can put 20. We can check the missing value. How it look like? Which one is a lots of missing value? Transmission. See, this is a missing value, NaN. If we have these values, we can analyze properly. Our results have a biased results, or we got the error too. So we need to change this one is any value or zero, or remove these rows. That's the idea. So what we need to do, so we check the information column type, data type, and then we can check the missing value. How many missing value is here? We can check proportion of missing value, same. Okay, and what we need to do, /df dot shape, shape 0 into 100. This one is proportional. How to do this one? We know that data frame shape. What is that? Data frame shape is two values here. This is an array, so we can, first one is this, second one is this. So what we do, we take first value 558,837. so that's why it's true. So we get what we need to, we divided to sum of the every value by 558,837. okay, see, this is the percentage of missing value. This one is 1%, 2%. This one is too much. This one is too much missing value. If transmission, if in analyze we need this column, we can keep it. Otherwise we can remove this column because it's too many missing value. So this one is, we get error in our data, our results. So we can remove this column if we don't want this for our study. Okay, so next is what we need to do, we check the, first we already checked missing value. Okay, and we can check the duplicate. Checking for duplicate. Now how many duplicate in our data set? df duplicated dot sum. dot sum. What happened? See, nothing, no duplicate value in the data set, so we don't want to worry about duplicate. Okay, next, first way, we don't which rows we don't want it, we can drop that draw column. So here is bin number. We don't want this study because we can't analyze anything for bin numbers. Okay, so what we need to do, we drop that column. Okay, def drop column name. What is the column names? Columns bin number. So we need to drop. Now we can check the column. See, bin number is gone. So our data frame is now we don't have a bin number. Then what we need to do, we can find number column. What is integer column? We can find the integer column. Df select data type include number in columns. Okay, so here okay, condition, okay, this one, and autometer, okay, and MMR, okay, selling price. This all of them is integer values. Okay, can fill these values, we can fill in with zeros, or we can use for different method. Too many methods we have right now. We can see first one, we can fill this column with mean. Okay, can we fill with mean or median or mode? Okay, drop rows type, select data type in number column. Okay, so from we need to import the library sklearn import what is that, knn impute. Okay, now we need to impute equal to knn impute. Okay, then follow I in where we need to put, this is a data set. We can put any name here if you want, or we can put full this code. You can copy this one. Okay, and then df for I, every I, all of them checking. Okay, then impute this one is impute. Okay, impute not fit transform data frame I again bracket I. Okay, so now we can run this one. What we need, what we are doing here, which column is a integer column. We can take all integer column and check each rows here, each values, and here each rows, take all rows here, every rows. What we need to do, each column, each row, each values, we check it and transform the neighbors, check the neighbors and transform this one. Okay, yeah. So we used for knn imputer for remove the missing value for integer columns. Okay, we already run this one. We can check now what happened for our missing value. Okay, see what is the integer value here at the condition is now 0 missing value, so already fix it. Autometer 0, mmr 0, and selling price 0. Okay, so all of them is done now. Next, what we need to do, we have more missing values. Okay, but we remove non-mission rows. Okay, so now we need to check object data type. We need to check object data type df. So then select data type. Data types is include. We already have it, no? Include numbered object. Object dot columns. Column check. See, make model, trim, body, transmission, state, color, interior, cell data. This one of the object, but is cell data. Data type is data type. Okay, now what we need to do, we check our we already done for integer values. Okay, category value, what we need to do, this one to drop that. Okay, what we will do first, drop the columns, more columns, because this one is so many null values, so we can remove this transmission column, and so whatever we can drop, we can pointer threshold length, data frame length for 13.15, more than 13.15, or we can remove this one too. So if we have a more than 10,651 null value, we can store that values, that column for here. Okay, threshold. So we can check it, and then data frame, how we can do data frame drop access 1 thresh equal to threshold. Okay, see this one thresh. Okay, no index, so we can put thresh here, thresh equal to threshold. Okay, enter this one. What happened now? We can check. We drop the values. Yeah, this one, body transmission, all of them is gone. Okay, body transmission. So we have this much data set now. Now what we need to do, we find the data type object, data type columns. Which one is object data type? Columns. Make, model, trim, state, color, integer, seller, sales date. So we need to check for mod value. For we need to find the data frame. Okay, data frame. Data frame make is object, so equal to what we need to do, mod value for. What happened? You can check. Data frame not for. So you can check what 0 fort. We need to, this one is get some array, so we can check fort. So make mod value is 0. So what we need to do, we check the every column, whatever in a mod, we fill that value for this missing values. Okay, so follow on column in data frame. Which data frame? Object data frame, and mod value equal to, how do we find the mod value? df, okay, df column, because this is a column. Every column we check each column dot mod and first value, and then what happened? What else? Data frame. Okay, we column, each column checking for object column equal to df column fill any equal to, how to fill mod value this one, and when n is 0 we can put fill n is 0 too. First we wait a minute, first we fill the sales date, whatever is missing value is 0 first. Okay, then what is the error? Again, substitute. Let's see. So these are the things good. Now what we need to do, data frame, we can check like that. Okay, lock, set lock data frame. Lock data frame column not is any dot column DataFrame.df log near column SMA column not value. Okay, now we can check the see all of them is 0 now, all of them fill. Okay, all of them fill, so no missing value. Okay, here we use the that one is easy. This one. Here is a warning setting with a copy warning. So it's typically occur when you are trying to use log bracket. Ensure that you are modifying the original data frame, avoiding a potential issue with the chain indexing. That's why we use the copy warning. We use this one locked. Okay, now what we do, so we already fixed the all missing value. Now some of them we remove the column, but make sure that before remove the columns, you make sure that column you don't want for our analyze. Okay, if you are needed, don't remove that one. If we need, keep that one, fill the values or remove the rows only. Okay, now we are going to check our shape again. See 13 before, when we start our shape is 16, now is 3 column we remove. Okay, now we can check the outlier. Okay, box plot, identify the outlier. How to so first we follow, we can plot the box plot and check the outlier. Follow I equal to in df dot select data type types include number dot columns. SNS we already use the one up here. Make sure this one. If we are not, we can't use it. Okay, SNS dot boxplot data which one? The data frame. Okay, comma x equal to I means column. Which column is what? Y equal, sorry. See, this is our plot here, and condition and odometer and number and selling price. So many outliers here. Here outlier, here is outlier, here is outlier, here is also the outlier. Means what is that? If you ever first now we check the outliers. So outliers only for integer columns. We check the integer column only. So we have selected type include number boxplot. So here is the first is year is lots of outlier here, and condition and odometer lots of outlier. So out of the box plot here. This is a 75% Q3, so we want Q3 here. So now what we need to write a function for quartile removal. Okay, so Q1, how to find Q1 equal to df data frame and column dot quartile point to 5. Okay, and Q3 same but 0.75. Q3 upper quartile. Okay, Q3. Upper quartile. So IQR equal to Q3 minus Q1. So now lower bound will be lower bound. We can write lower bound, right? Lower bound and the bound equal to Q1 plus minus 1.5 IQR. We know that IQR, what is that? Q3 minus Q1, and upper bound Q3 plus Q1 plus Q3 plus 1.5. Okay, now return df column greater than equal column வந்து greater than or equal என்ன வைக்கணும் lower bound விட பெருசா இருக்கணும். ஓகே, புரியுதா? and bound and df column upper bound and upper bound here df less than or equal upper bound மேல upper bound UPP one low bound small. Okay, and okay, then okay, so we find the lower bound and upper bound. So all points or set of data in the column, we need to inside the lower bound in our bound and upper bound. So outside the lower bound or upper bound, that points all of them is outliers. So we need to remove that points data. Okay, so we need to run this function. What happened? Check it. Oh boy. Less than or equal to is our function name? Outlier df, okay, this is a function for remove the outliers. So what we need to do first, which column we need to remove. So specify the column, which column. Okay, first we find the column name. Yes. Now we already make a function remove outlier IQR column. So now we need to find the year outlier. We need to remove the year outlier. Okay, so first what we need to do, we can make a variable for year column to clean year. Okay, then what we need to do, df, we can name for name for dataset df clean, call our function, okay? And our dataset df comma what is the dataset, and this one our column, which column here. Okay, already remove the outlier for this column. For that later set the name df clean. Okay, so here column outlier, here is the column. Okay, so we can plot first. What we need to do first, before using this function, how is look, and then we can plot after using for this function what happened for that column. Okay, we can plot that one. So plot dot figure size figure size equal to 15 and SNS C1, we call C1. Okay, SNS box plot x equal to df, which column, our year column. Okay, what happened? Box plot. See, this is a outline. See, all of them. Lower bound is this one. This one is upper bound. This one, most of them have inside the lower bound. So this is the outlier. So after using this our function, what happened? Okay, after using this plot, we can small pages. See, this one is good. So after using same plot, but what we need to do here is the data set is not df clean. Okay, df cleans data set. So same here, but is df clean. What happened? See, most of them remove. Lower bound, most of the outliers removes, only 3 outliers. So most of them remove. Okay. So same like this, we need to remove all of the outlier for other column. Which one? All of them integer. Okay. Condition and autometer and MMR and selling price. First we need to selling price and autometer. Yeah. First what we need to do, same like that. Clean. We need to clean the. So we need to call data clean 1. Okay, clean 1 dataset name. Which column we need to clean again? MMR. You can put directly. Okay. And then we need to plug this one. Okay. Remember, see, this is a upper bound. More of the outliers in upper bound. So we need to remove this one. What happened? We already removed. Same plug. Okay, easy to copy and paste. Okay. But this data set is df cleaned 1 data set name. Okay, not df. See, most of them clean only a little bit. Okay, and then what else? Selling price. That one is very important. Selling price also. We need to clean selling price. So df clean 2. Okay, 2 and selling price. And then we need to plug this one before using function and after using function. Selling price. See, most of them upper bound, after upper bound. So this one plug same, but we need to change data set. You got it? This is a data set. So see, most of them are a little bit. Okay, so these outliers we already removed all of them. Okay, so this is a data set 2 is a final data set. We remove the outliers, we remove the missing value. This is a this is no missing value, no outliers, all of them. So what we need to do, we need to find out descriptive statement. Describe. Okay, we need to find describe for this data set. For describe means we need to count mean, mod, 25%, 35%, maximum, minimum. Okay, we can find there we have outliers or not. Check it now. Df dot first df dot. Okay, df dot describe. See, describe dot t. When we put a t, this one is table, this direction is different. See, this is here. Okay, here count is how many rows, how many mean, which one is mean, is the year means 2010, most of them made maximum 2015, 2007, 2000. But this is a df means it's an old data set, but this one is our new data set. Let's see what's going on for new data set. Okay, see, most of the column is removed, our mean is here, maximum is there. See, minimum is 1. See, this one is 182, but is 110 here. Remember, because we remove the outliers, no? That's why here minimum is 1, maximum is this one, but 25% 6,000. This one selling price 17,000. So here this one 230,000, but you see here maximum 35,100. So we can compare. When we remove the outlier, what happened before outlier, maximum is very high because most of them more than upper bound. Here is the selling price. Did you see that selling price? Yeah, selling price. See, when we are 200,000, see, more than 200,000. Here is 35,000. So when we remove the outliers, we can like that. So this is our data cleaning. Each data set different data cleaning method. This one is like that. Okay, so first one we need to do import library, load data, and explore data, and handle missing value, handle duplicate value, and correct data type, and outlier detection and treatment. Okay, we import the library. Okay, Pandas is the main library here, and load the data and check the data set. What is the shape, and we can check the data shape now. What's going on now? See, now is wait a minute, df shape. See, this one is 558,837. See, they have lots of rows removed already. Okay, because we did treatments. What is that? Outline treatment, and before is missing value, some more missing value rows we are removed. So that's why. So yeah, where is that? Our project finished already. Data shape and information. Here is the information. We know that what is the data type, and what is our column name. Okay, which column is there, and we need to check the null value. If your null value, we need to remove that null value. We can remove directly all rows, or we can drop that columns, or we can fill with zeros, or we can fill with the mode or mean values. Here we use the mode mean values. Here number we can use KNN input. This is a new library, so we use here this one. Okay, this one is good, and some of them is object type. What we did, we can get the column name and then mod value, and then we fill that mod value for that missing values, which one is object columns. Okay, and then outlier treatment, we find the outliers for number data type, and then we remove the data outliers. How we remove? First we make a function for use IQR, and then remove we remove the data. See what we did here. We find the lower bound and upper bound. Then what we did, each and every rows we check it. We check it which one that value is less than lower bound, no, greater than lower bound and less than upper bound. Between that, more than that or less than that, we need to remove that. We remove that values. Okay. Yeah. So we plot that data set first before using this function and after using this function. So we can see how does it look like, how many outliers before that and after that how many outliers. See, so remove that rows. Okay, and then we find our minimum maximum value. So we know that what's different there. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Keep support my videos. Thank you.